Hello everyone. Thank you for joining. In this quick tip today we'll learn how to do SSH without using a password. If you got like one or two servers, easy, you can type every time the password, but if you got multiple servers running Linux and if you need to log in every time, it becomes pretty cumbersome to remember all this password and keep on typing the password. So in this quick tip we will learn how to do SSH without using password. So for this I have logged into one of my main administration terminal. From there I usually log into all of my other Linux servers. So if you see that while we are logging to the other server, we are getting prompted for a password, and every time we need to type the password to log into that particular Linux server. So now we will learn how we can do the SSH without using any password. So to do that, the first step, we need to generate the SSH key. So the command we will be using is SSH key gen. So the command that we'll be using is SSH dash keygen. So we'll go ahead and type that SSH dash. Let me clear my screen. Let me go ahead and type that again. SSH keygen. And you are prompted, it says generating per private public RSA key pair. And whenever you generate a key, it saves into a file which is under /root because we are logged in as a root user. .ssh/idrsa. So we'll go ahead and accept the default file by just pressing the enter. And it says there is a file already exists. Do you want to overwrite? So we'll go ahead and say yes, I want to overwrite. Now the important part, it says enter the password. Remember, we are going to do a passwordless SSH login. So here, make sure that we don't enter any password. So just simply press enter. And just to confirm again, go ahead and press that enter again. And you would see that this has generated the file that we specified. And here is the key fingerprint and some of the RSA detail, like we are using 2048 bits and some of the other information. Now we have the SSH key generated and it's available. Now let's go ahead and copy this SSH key to the server where we want to do a passwordless access. So the command to do that, it's SSH -copy -id and followed by the IP address or the host name of the node. So we will use SSH copy ID, and we want to log into this server. So I'll go ahead and type that command again. So it's SSH copy ID followed by the IP address of my server, or you could type a host name if you have a working DNS. Just simply go ahead and press enter. And the first time you are being prompted to enter the password. So this is the password of the root user onto your target node, which is 156 server. So I will go ahead and type that password of that particular root user, and it says now trying to log in. It says, hey, make sure you have added the keys, and now it says now you can try it logging and see if you can log in without any password. So I will go ahead and try doing the SSH again to that server. Remember, first time when we logged on, we were prompted to enter a password. And now let's see if the system is prompting us to enter a password or not. So I'll go ahead and type SSH followed by the IP address of that server. And very good. So if you remember that we were not prompted for any password and are logged onto the server successfully. So you can see how this is very useful. You don't have to remember the password for every server, or you don't have to type the password over and over again. Hopefully you like this tip. Keep watching for some of more valuable tips. Thanks for joining again. Thank you. Bye-bye.